National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Snyders, or near Tamaqua, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Additional thunderstorms in clusters are moving across the warned area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Thorpe, Slatington, Argyl, Nesquehoning, Wind Gap, Bath, Weatherly, and Walnutport. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 50 and 89. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 44 and 76. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 295 and 299, and near mile marker 305. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hamburg, Walnutport, Robisonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, and Centerport. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 11 and 34. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The severe thunderstorm warning